From the First Alert Weather Center, this is Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane for your December 12th, 2015 noon weather webcast. Yes, the threat for severe weather is there today. It is quite unusual for us to see a slight risk for severe weather, especially one that takes up this much real estate. Basically, much of Texas and much of Oklahoma has a slight risk for severe weather today. That does include all of Oklahoma City, up to Stillwater, Enid, Ponca City, out towards Clinton, Weatherford, down towards Hobart, Altus, and even as you make your way right along the Red River. So yes, the threat for severe weather is there, even making its way up near Woodward. Here's a tornado risk for today. It is a low chance and a low threat, but you can see that tornado chance is certainly there across much of the region. Oklahoma City, we do have a tornado threat. Same thing up towards Enid, out towards Sealing, down towards Clinton, and even right along the Red River and all of southern Oklahoma here. Have been coordinating back and forth with the Storm Prediction Center, and as of at least the last conversation that we had, it looked like there is a good chance they will issue a tornado watch later today that will include much of western and even possibly central Oklahoma. Again, we're going to have to watch that pretty closely, but it still looks like the potential is there. Here is the hail threat for today. The best chance for storms that could produce up to half-dollar size hailstones will extend from Alva down towards Fairview, Sealing, Woodward, and as you go in towards around El Reno, Clinton, and down towards Hobart and Altus. And then here is a threat for damaging winds. Damaging winds will certainly be a big-time concern with any storm that comes in here. Winds could get anywhere between 60 to 80 miles per hour. The winds are certainly going to be a big-time factor for today, and so certainly the wind threat is going to be there just as well as a tornado and hail threat. So here is projected radar at about 6 o'clock this evening. A couple of thunderstorms possible out near Stillwater, and as you make way into southern Cleveland County, but we're going to focus our attention out across the west here, this line of storms out here. This could certainly have at least a chance for severe storms. Now, today's severe weather threat is quite unusual since it is coming in here during the month of December. That means these storms won't be nearly as tall, but they can still pack quite a punch here. So scattered thunderstorms still possible even right around 10 o'clock this evening out across northwestern Oklahoma. But then we start to shift our focus down across the Texas Panhandle. This line and area of storms will begin to move to the east. Now, there is some potential that they may weaken as they move into central Oklahoma. So this is going to be midnight projected radar. Storms down from Lawton as you go in towards southwestern Oklahoma and western Oklahoma. For Oklahoma City and much of central Oklahoma, our storm threat will not move in here until much later into evening. This is projected radar at 3 a.m., so don't be surprised if you hear some heavy rain coming in around 3 a.m., then some good old-fashioned, at least non-severe rain out across western and northwestern Oklahoma. Rain continues even tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. Scattered thunderstorms possible as we watch this line move to the east. Here's how much rainfall could fall. Looks like a good amount, 1 to 2 inches across northern Oklahoma. We'll see bands of heavy rain and then some areas of lighter rain. It all depends on just where the heaviest of storms happens to move in. For Oklahoma City, about a half inch to up to 1 inch of rain, and then eastern Oklahoma could see anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of rain. Certainly this forecast is changing by the hour as the newest information comes in, but certainly the threat for severe weather continues, and we'll have the latest tonight on KOCO 5 News at 5, 6, and 10. See you then.